Hello everyone, it's Neil here from 3D Tutor and I'm back today after a long break working on some exciting stuff behind the scenes. One of those things being pixel art, which I know a lot of you here really love that kind of art style. So stay tuned and find out how you can create your own artwork and games in this retro art style. In recent times, the world has seen a monumental resurgence in pixel and retro game styles. Gamers and artists alike have embraced the nostalgia, simplicity, and unique charm of pixel art, making it a booming domain in the gaming and art world. Saying all that, I'm thrilled to introduce to you a brand new online course we've been working on. We've been collaborating with an amazing developer and artist, so I introduce to you Dan as a new addition to our 3D Tutor team, who will be specialising in all things pixel art. That includes artwork and creating games. I'd also like to give a shout out to Dan's own YouTube channel, and I'll drop the links in the description down below. There you'll find all of Dan's games and works and nearly 80 videos on creating retro style games. With over 30 plus games out there for people to play, you could say we struck gold bringing Dan on board the 3D Tutor team. So without further ado, I give you Dan, who will be talking about our brand new course collaboration. Before I go though, just to let you all know, down below you'll also find links to our pre-sale with the course release nearer the end of the week. So if you want to support us and save some money, then you've got a couple of days to get your pre-orders in. If you missed this, then all the links to where you can pick up the course will also be down below. And now, over to Dan. Happy modelling, everyone.
Welcome to Pixel Art Bootcamp, complete 2D Retro Game Masterclass. This new 3D Tutor course will be your one-stop guide to mastering the art of pixel design in the gaming world. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skills, this comprehensive online course covers everything you need to know to become a proficient pixel artist. From the basics of pixel art and color palettes to advanced techniques in asset creation and animation, we've got you covered. Dive into the hands-on lessons where you'll be designing pattern backgrounds, create intricate tile sets, and go as far as drawing your very own character. You'll learn not only the technical aspects, such as layering and grid assembly, but also gain valuable insights into the aesthetic considerations essential for compelling game design. And that's not all. We'll elevate your skills by introducing you to the fundamentals of animation in Sprite, a program that's a game changer for artists like us. Pixel Art Bootcamp Complete 2D Retro Game Masterclass will guide you through transforming real-life photos into pixel art. Ready to turn your creative ideas into pixel art realities? Join us on this exciting journey. So, here's what we're going to learn. From the get-go, this course is a rollercoaster ride through the exciting world of pixel art. We'll kickstart your journey by demystifying pixel art and exploring its various forms and applications in gaming and beyond. Next, we'll discuss why Sprite is the holy grail of pixel art creation. We'll then dive into the software, providing you with the indispensable hints, tips, and tricks that can transform anyone from a pixel art novice into a promising artist. Wondering how to pick up the perfect color palette for your masterpiece? We've got you covered. You'll learn how to choose and apply color palettes like a pro, a skill many veteran artists wish they had learned sooner. Backgrounds, the unsung hero of any visual piece or game. Your characters need a world to inhabit, right? We'll guide you through the crafting simple and aesthetically pleasing patterned backgrounds. The fundamental knowledge will prepare you for more intricate designs down the line. And to take it up a notch, we'll introduce you to parallax backgrounds, offering hands-on experience with layering and the tiled view modes, critical skills for any game developer. Moving on, we'll focus on game assets. Ever wondered how to make your adventure games more engaging? Treasure chests are the answer, and they're not just for pirates. You'll learn the principles of pixel art asset creation while designing treasure chests that add mystery and allure to your games. Along the way, you'll grasp advanced techniques like color exaggeration and asset weathering. But what's a treasure chest without sparkling gems and potent potions? You'll apply your newfound skills to design gems that practically glint off the screen. Plus, you'll learn how to create realistic potions using shading techniques and color replacement tools. Your in-game collectibles will not just be items, but pieces of art. Characters are the heart of any game, and we'll ensure yours are unforgettable. Whether you're aiming for a retro vibe or a modern flair, you'll learn how to draw characters that resonate with players. And we won't stop at static images. You'll also get a crash course in animating your characters in a sprite. Whether you're facing forward or viewed from the side, your characters will look the best at any angle, and all within the constraints of pixel art dimensions. And to wrap it up, we'll extend the pixel art magic beyond the screen. Ever wanted to turn your real-life photos into pixel art? We'll show you how by using an image of a dog provided in our resource pack as an example. Imagine turning your pet, your friends, or even a scenic view into pixel art sensations. We'll do exactly that in this course. Add a sprite to your game artist's toolbox and let your portfolio stand out in new and exciting ways.